Hi guys, I'm Curtis and I'm that Bernina guy at Stitch in Heaven. Today we're going to be talking to you about how to clean and oil your 3 Series machine. So on your Bernina 3 Series, this will include the 325, the 330, the 335, the 350, and the 380. So today's demo will be on the Bernina 330, and let's get right to it. So what we got here, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my presser foot. You lift up in the back and your foot will come off. I'll set it to the side. Next I'll take out the needle. Get it out of the way because nobody likes to be poked by the needle. And then I'll set that off to the side. Push here in the back right corner, and that will lift your stitch plate out and you can remove that. Now this gives you access from the top. I open up my bobbin case door, and now I can access and take out the bobbin and the bobbin case. I remove the bobbin and bobbin case. Over here you have a little silver tab that you push to the left. This opens up your race, and to remove your hook, simply pull it out. And now you have complete access to everything that you need. I take my brush, and there's different varieties of lint brushes there. What I do is just go through here, make sure it's nice and clean, get all the lint that's from the top, and it falls down in here. And then I'll brush everything out in and around, make sure it's nice and super clean. There's other attachments out there. We have a little mini vacuum attachment, and it comes with something that's slightly larger than what this is, and it'll vacuum out that spot. We recommend that you never use canned air. That will blow moisture, and you'll eventually get all your lint pushed back into here. When it dries, it'll start rusting and causing issues with your machine. So please do not use that. To go on, I will take my oil at this point. I've cleaned it nicely. And I take my oil pen, and on the machine, on the race here, inside I will drop oil on the left side, and then a drop of oil on the right side, and it'll run down the race. And then you put your hook back in. Now when I put my hook back in, it's only going to fit in one way. And you raise your hook race cover, and it'll snap into place. And then you can take your bobbin, and your bobbin fits. Make sure this is up straight, and it has a little slot that it'll fit into. But if you watch, make sure your spring right here that you grab to release it, if you make sure this is horizontal, then you snap it into place, and you'll hear it snap. Close your door. Your stitch plate will go back into place. Your presser foot fits onto the cone in the back. Pull your lever down, make sure it's nice and secure. Take your needle. Put your needle back into place, and you're ready to sew. If you have any questions, please give us a call at Stitch in Heaven. My name is Curtis, and please like, subscribe, and click on that little bell if you would like to receive any new notifications of brand new videos that we released out there. Have a great day, and give us a call anytime.